welcome the Minister of Health, Dr. Larson, for being here. Thank you, Dr. Larson, for being here. So we are really grateful that you came all the way from Haiti to be with us, because I think that's a sign of I would say encouragement, you know, for what we are doing here in the United States or somewhere else. And the second person that I'm calling on is Mr. Avril Parizon. Mr. Avril Parizon has embraced that idea of the symposium since the beginning. So he has been with me, you know, trying to, you know, to help me out, you know, with, you know, gathering people, giving people's address, you know, to where to contact them. So I think he has been very, very good with me. So that's why I'm really grateful, Mr. Parizon, for being with us. And I want people to know also that Mr. Parizon is the minister of the, I would say, of the diaspora. So if you got any problem, we just address it. Okay, the next person that I would like to introduce to you is, I got to know him after the earthquake, and I think, you know, one of the news network put a title, the doctor who sheltered 100 victims in his own house. Mm-hmm. And then I went ahead and said, who is doing that in Haiti? And yes, there are people in Haiti who did that. And one of them is Dr. Serena, Claude Serena. Dr. Serena, yeah, that's true. You know, that's the way the headlines, you know, put you in there. I think you probably have seen it. And he is also the person who was in charge of the crisis, if I should put it. So he's been au four et au moulin, comme on dit en français, you know, to be everywhere to try to help. But I know, you know, it was not your fault if, you know, each of those victims didn't get your help, okay? Because for the amount of damage that, you know, a small country like Haiti suffered from, I think, you know, it was tremendous that you did what you did. And then I commend you again for what you did. Now, the fourth person that I would like to introduce is Dr. Pierre-Paul Cadet. Dr. Pierre-Paul Cadet, I don't have time to read. Dr. Pierre-Paul Cadet is, you know, has, comme on dit en français, il n'a pas marchandé son aide. Okay, somebody told me to call him. And then he was there, you know, offering, you know, every help that I could get, you know, for me, you know, that I wanted to organize this symposium. So he was very there at the first minute that I talk about that. And Dr. Cardet is the official representative of the Association of the Haitian Physician Abroad. So he is here with us, you know, to support us and to give us ideas, suggestions, and recommendations from this association of the physician abroad. So thank you, Dr. Carter, for being here. Now, the fourth person that I would like to introduce is Mr. Harry Fouché. Mr. Fouché, would you stand, please? I've known Harry for many, many years. You know, we worked together. You know, I remember when Haitians were, I would say, given the name of Sida Carrière. So we were there everywhere. There was something to fight to, you know, to remove that name from the Haitian back So I was there with Harry. Harry has been with me, you know, for a long time, and of course he didn't hesitate to come with me. You know, when I told Harry about the symposium. So Harry, I thank you for being here. And then the other person that I would like to introduce is Mr. Lucas, Stanley Lucas. Stanley Lucas is everywhere. Everywhere that, you know, that they are talking about Haiti, they are talking about struggle, political struggle, and in the forum, and Stanley Lucas is here, telling people what he thinks that, you know, Haiti, the political situation should be. So he always brings his political input, you know, to what Haitians should think, to what kind of government Haiti should have. You know, but I think, you know, he has been very, very, I would say, prolific in what he's doing in terms of, I would say, political acumen. So that's why I thank you for being here. And he is here as the chairman of the Haitian Federation. Did I see it right?
The Greater Washington Haiti with
right.
board member of the Haiti Federation.
Right, okay, so thank you for being here, okay? Now, there is a person that I would like to recognize also, and I think it's thanks to the efforts that they have done in Haiti. And I think if it was not for that person, maybe I wouldn't have traveled as a surgeon to come and help. So I want to recognize Dr. Henry Paul. Dr. Henry Paul, you know, put me in a plane, practically in a plane to go to Haiti, and he got me back. Because whenever I was calling, I called all the good, I would say, charitable organizations out there. You know, I called Physicians Without Borders. I called my wife and I, you know, we were, and then we had also some of my family members calling to find out if I could get to Haiti, because I know after such tragedy, you know, the need for surgeons was very important. I knew that, especially what we call the golden period. But I tried to get on Haiti at least, you know, the following day or the third day after, but I could not get it. But thanks to an organization like NOAA and Henry Paul, I was on the plane to Haiti the second week, and then, you know, and I think, you know, his help was very tremendous. Even though he's quiet, it looks like he's not working, but he knows what he's doing. So thank you, Henry, for being here. The fourth person that I would like to recognize is, I would say, if, you know, it's for two wings. If, you know, Henry was one wing, and then the other person was the other wing. And then when I said the other person, it's almost like she's a representative of that clinic that I work. You know, after I left Haiti, that clinic that I work, you know, had an operating room, things that, you know, we didn't dream about. So that's why I want to acknowledge the presence of Madame Chantal Seyon. Madame Chantal Seyon, thanks to that clinic, we were able to see close to 900 patients during that week in Haiti, and we had multiple operations done, you know, because of that. So that's why I want to thank you, okay, for being here. And last and not least, and I would like to recognize my wife, Gigi Gilbert, that we call Giselle Gilbert. And Giselle, okay, she gives me courage for what I'm doing. She always, you know, supports me for what I'm doing, even though sometimes it's foolish. She knows it's foolish, but she supports me. So that's why I want to thank her for being with me in all of my actions or inactions sometimes. So I thank you, Gigi, for being with me. And I also want to recognize my son, my brother, my daughters. Okay, they are here supporting me, you know, for in what I'm doing. And of course, and as I said it at the beginning, I'm sorry I cannot take more time to encourage all the friends that came to support me. So I think that's all I had to say. Nancy, you still got the microphone.